Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and you all are following all the classes properly. So today nothing new will be taught to you, just because you all need to rush to open the worksheet. There you will get the link and you need to take a revision test over there. Okay, I just want to take 5 or 6 minutes from you all, that and you need to know what you need to know is, since you all will not get any study material today because we have already completed our portion. So today this class is basically set for taking a revision test. Okay, so some of the things you can take it as tips before your test. So what you need to do is, for your half yearly, that is, you need to prepare all the formats, whether it be composition or it be all types of compositions obviously, and your email notice and letter formats and all, what are required and what not. Along with that, the grammar, in grammar part, the exercises as you all have done, okay, in your worksheet so far, whatever you all have done, you need to learn them thoroughly. Along with that, you need to learn the rules as well. Okay, as for example, if I say whether direct speech is required in story writing or not. Okay, so obviously you know the answer. There must be direct speech, there should be 2 to 3 characters, and there should be communication, there should be conversation between those characters. So it's not necessary that all the characters will have a conversation with all the characters, but at least 2 to 3 direct speech is required over there. So such type of things that you need to have in order to carry on your composition writing. Okay, so this type of things, these are already discussed. Along with that, I would like all of you to open your previous study materials where all types of compositions were discussed, and all those components were written over there as well. So you need to go through them minutely before you take your half yearly test, half yearly exam. And what you need to do for your exercises and all, for your grammar part and all, you need to go through the exercises minutely. So far you all have learned. Now in case of tense here, you may not get the question like in this time, in this half yearly, maybe you will get the questions like you all have practiced in your worksheet, but afterwards if we get scope, or even if we do not get scope, this means to have our examination like we used to have in our normal days, so that time you may have to, means your tense part will be checked through passages. Okay, one passage will be given and you need to understand that which form the word will also be given over there within bracket, as you all have, since you all are habituated with this time you all are habituated with sentence, but that time it may or it might be in passage form. Okay, but for this half yearly, what you need to do is, whatever you all have learned, now you need to read the instructions carefully as well, because if you do not read the instruction carefully, there is a possibility to commit mistakes. Okay, so you need to do that. Now apart from this, I would like to come to the point that was that you need to combine, there was a task, there was a worksheet, you need to combine the sentences using participle. So what I want to say is, the answers provided me, they are the sample answers, but it doesn't mean that they cannot be done in a different way. You are most welcome to do it in a different way. Obviously it should be correct answer. And some of you okay, so I will come on this part later on. So today what you need to do now, I will not take much time because I know you all are in a hurry to take your tests. As I told, I'm going to take 5 or 6 minutes. So what you need to do is, you need to do the worksheet carefully. Do not hurry, do not make it a quick process that as soon as I complete and let me submit. there is a possibility to commit mistake if you do that. So take your time, you have enough time at your hand, and this time revision test is of only 20 marks like your unit test, but half yearly exam will be of 40 marks. There you can get tense passages, there you can get true false, there you may get voice change, very very important. So and regarding format and all, this type of question there might be. So what you need to concentrate now is to open the worksheet link and to do that task. On our next class, in my next class, I will definitely try to discuss some of those questions that you may say. I know you all will be able to do, but still I will try to make certain things clear. Okay, so this much for today. Take your test nicely and do submit, and then in our next class we will discuss those answers. Thank you. Best of luck.